Hi dear friend, I'm Dr. Hussein Osman. I'm otolaryngologist and head and neck surgeon. Now I will demonstrate the endoscopic view of the temporal bone, the anatomic landmark. So we have now this bone is the normal bone of the human. This is the not artificial one. This is the normal anatomic. Now I will introduce the scope inside the external canal. Can you see? This is the zygoma. This is the zygoma. Okay, this is the mastoid projection on mastoid tip. This is the temporal line. Now this bone being dissected by me for the educational purpose. Now I will introduce my scope. Can you see? In the beginning, we will focus on the cochlea. Can you see this is the cochlea? This one is the cochlea. This is the 3 turn of the cochlea or 2.5 turn of the cochlea. The basal turn, the middle turn and the apical turn. This cochlea, this is the modulus of the cochlea. Can you see the modulus of the cochlea? This modulus of the cochlea and the turn of the cochlea turn around the modulus. From the base of the modulus, the cochlear nerve originated and entered the internal acoustic canal. This is inside the internal acoustic canal. Around the cochlea, we can see this region is the region of the geniculate ganglion of the facial nerve. Beneath this is the opening of the tensor tympanic muscle, and under this structure is the eustachian tube. Can you see? This opening is the opening for the eustachian tube. This canal, this is called infracochlear canal. This infracochlear canal lead to the petrous apex. Can you see? This canal, infracochlear canal, this lead to the petrous apex. Through this we can drain the cholecystogranuloma from the petrous apex. Now we go to the vestibule. Can you see? This is the canal of the vestibule, 3 semicircular canal. This is the superior semicircular canal. This is the ambulated end of the superior semicircular canal, and this is the posterior semicircular canal. The posterior semicircular and the superior semicircular canal join together to form the common crust. This is the common crust and open to the utricle. This is the utricle of the vestibule, the utricle posteriorly and the sacral anteriorly. The superior semicircular ambulated in the common crust, the posterior semicircular canal. This is ambulated end of the posterior semicircular canal. Now we will introduce our scope inside the internal acoustic canal. Can you see? We are going inside the internal acoustic canal. Now we will introduce our scope inside the internal acoustic canal. Can you see the cochlea, the superior canal, the posterior canal, the cochlea, the facial nerve, the geniculate ganglion? This is the geniculate ganglion. This is the tensor tympanic muscle canal. This is the eustachian tube. Can you see? This is the mastoid. This is the mastoid tip when being dissected. Amazing landmark. This is normal cadaveric bone. Thank for all of you, dear friend.